Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this gradient with freehand swirls. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today we're using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the gradient today, I'm going to be using some Orly colors. The purple is Don't Sweet It, and the blue is Off the Grid. And then for the swirls, I'm going to be using Serendipity. Before I do the gradient, I'm going to protect around my nails using some liquid latex. I have a makeup sponge and I'm going to be applying them both pretty heavily with a decent amount of overlap in the middle. I'm not using a base color, but these are both very opaque. Once I've completed the gradient, I'll remove the protection and then we'll move on to the swirls. I'm going to be using a Q-tip for any bits that were outside of the latex, and then I'll be going in closer to my nail with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. I have a lid and I'm going to put out some of the shimmer polish, and then I'm going to be using a small detail brush to paint the swirls. once I'm done with the swirls, I'm going to finish everything off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. I can be a bit critical of my freehanding skill, but I'm pretty pleased with these swirls. This polish is a multichrome, although it's a bit tricky to capture on camera, and it's also very, very shimmery, so I do want to give you guys some flashlight time. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching. I wore these glossy for a few days, and now I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to be using Holo Taco's Matte Taco.